The hidden cost of playing it safe. Everyone tells you, play it safe, get a steady job, save your money, don't take risks. But nobody tells you what that really costs, because playing it safe might protect your comfort, but it can destroy your future. I used to think safety was security. Then I realized it was just fear in disguise. I had a safe plan, a retirement account, a house, a checklist for life. And yet I woke up feeling trapped, because what safety really gave me was predictability, not peace. The truth is, safety costs your dreams. It keeps you where it's familiar, even when that place no longer fits who you are. The world has changed. Technology replaced predictability with opportunity, and the people who adapt win. Playing safe used to mean survival. Now it means stagnation. Risk today isn't quitting your job, it's refusing to evolve while the world moves forward. If you've been holding back because you're scared to lose what's familiar, just remember, the biggest risk is staying stuck like quicksand. Every time you step forward, you teach your future self that you're worth betting on. So stop playing it safe. Start playing it smart, because the version of you that's waiting on the other side of fear is already ready for freedom. Here's a question for you. What's one dream you've been putting off because it felt too risky? Playing it safe is the fastest way to lose the life you were meant to live. Take that plunge. It's okay. It's your life. Make it worthwhile.